Wanted to do a quick video here. My name is Jasmine. I wanted to show you what you will get access to when you want to basically have the system fix your credit for you. It's basically pulling your credit profile in order to analyze everything that's on it and also analyze what needs to be pretty much reported that's negative, like inquiries, things that have been on there for more than 2 years or so. So right now, I am an independent broker with FreedomPath, but we're going to definitely talk about some other things along the way as well too. If you saw this as a freebie on my digital store, make sure that you subscribe and stay up to date and basically with my newsletter. So when you go to my digital storefront, make sure you basically subscribe to that. Also, if you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe as well too to stay up to date when I put out videos in regarding to helping moms earn an extra income and basically be able to lead the 9-to-5 lifestyle, but you can still work your 9-to-5 and be able to make an extra income on the side as well too. So let's get into it real quick just to show you a sneak peek. Within the membership, you're getting access to ScorePath, WealthPath, LifePath, and BizPath. All of these things you will actually get access to. If you got any questions in regarding to things that are on your report, you got a credit attorney right at your fingertips with no problem whatsoever. You got to look at local savings as well too if you want to be able to save some extra money. You got to look at if you're getting ready to travel or anything like that of any sorts. You also got travel planning as well too to be able to save some money. Cha-ching. It's all about saving the coins and having fun at the same time. If you also want to be able to do your LLC as well too, we got BizPath, basically biz formation. We also got biz credit. If you go through the entire business credit, you can also be guaranteed a $50,000 funding because you went through the entire Biz Credit Academy, and you have to go through the entire thing and you cannot skip anything so that you're able to be guaranteed for that 50K. We also got an education section as well too. So definitely get all this information. Think about the system itself, basically analyzing everything and being able to pull your report and do it for you. Excuse me. Excuse me. So of course I already sent out the letters and everything as well too. This is also the results trackers. I got information on that. Don't want to show that too much. We also got dispute tracker here as well too. Let you know that when your letters are created, when you sent them out, everything like that. You can have the system to mail it out for you, or you can print them out and you can mail them out yourself as well too. And with that, you can definitely keep track of it as well. So that's also another thing. And also everything will definitely be here in the dashboard. As you can see here, I did have 7 things removed. Right now I got things are in a disputing process as well too. Also another thing, when it comes to these credit bureaus, they can potentially, of course, send you an email or a letter saying that, oh, thank you for fixing on your credit or trying to fix on your credit, especially if you have the system to send it out for you. They're just trying to stall and not fix it. That's the only thing about that as well too. So you definitely want to be on that consistently and stay up to date with that as well too, because this is why people may not see the results that they want to see because they're not staying up to date with it. Like I said, if you get some type of letter, or that you get a letter that's basically saying, oh, you're doing great and thank you for trying to fix your credit, call them. That's all you got to do. But I know for some people, they may not have the chance to call these credit bureaus and basically dispute these charges and different things like that. It is still going to be a process no matter what, because I have gotten emails as well too, because I got a letter basically, and then figure it out. It was a stall letter because they basically saying that, oh, you didn't send out the letter, somebody else sent out the letters. But I'm like, but really, these credit bureaus don't want you to fix your credit, which is so sad, basically. But no, we're going to definitely fix our credit. And trust me, this system works. As you can see, I had 7 things removed. So, yeah, it works. That is definitely showing you what you will get when you sign up to basically have the system fix your credit. It's $189 and it's $99, excuse me. $189 to start, $99 monthly, no contract, no obligations. You can cancel at any time. You can definitely cancel at any time. So this is definitely a great system to pretty much have. This is going to help so many people get back on track when it comes to fixing credit, so on and so forth. If you're trying to get your LLC, this system right here can help you format that as well too. Also, another thing that I want to mention. Also, another thing I want to mention, if you are a mom and you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and you're looking for an extra source of income outside of your 9 to 5 and you want to learn how to utilize your 9 to 5 skills and turn that into income online by creating content, but you need a product or a service, this is the service for you right here. Freedom Path. You can become an independent broker for Freedom Path. And yes, you can earn an extra income as well too. With that being said, pretty much you can earn an extra $2,500 a week by people coming in as an independent broker. We have 2 options. They can be a broker for $129, but that's all they get. It's basically the broker itself. With that being said, also another thing as well too, I'm going to show you here. This is basically the services. I'm going to show you the services that we offer. The Freedom Wealth, what I basically talk about, that is pretty much fixing your credit itself. Now, if you want to become a life insurance agent or you are a life insurance agent, we also have Freedom Life to where you can offer life insurance to your clients as well too. So we do have that. Bolt funding is basically you can get funding, whether you are a startup, whether you have a business, whether you're looking for some extra money, you can utilize your SSN as well. So we do have that. And we definitely have Business Credit Academy. You can definitely get a free business scan to see what is going on within the business, like making sure is your business formatted correctly, do you have this or do you have that. You can get a free business scan. So I will definitely make sure I have the link below in the description if you're watching on YouTube, or you can just reach back out to me or go to freedompath.com/rebuild her. As you can see here, rebuild her/services. That way you can get you a free business scan. I am telling you, this has so much value and so much potential. You got to understand that we are in the world of where things are absolutely changing. Things are absolutely changing. Also, like I stated, you can be able to start your own financial services business with Freedom Path. This website is already done for you. You don't have to do anything. Plus, on top of that, they have a Broker U University to where you can learn the ins and out about the financial services itself and what you can pretty much offer to your potential clients, so on and so forth. As you can see here, all of this information, compensation, marketing. I mean, this is absolutely a win-win if you are looking to make extra income and you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and you are a mom and you want to utilize your skills and get monetized on social media by creating simple content. That's you. Oh yeah, that's definitely you. So this opportunity, when you come here, all you got to do is click on start your business today. It's going to take you here. You're just going to definitely put in all your correct information and you're going to go to the next step. So there are two options for this. If you want to become an independent broker, one is $129. That is just for the independent broker itself. You don't get the other part when it comes to trying to fix your credit. That is the $289. If you get the $289, that is only one time for the $289. You get to where you can fix your credit while you're helping others. Then it's $99 a month to stay basically active for your business itself. $289 one time. Then it's $99 a month. But with the $289, you're getting access to all of this. But you're getting the membership to fix your credit. That's a win-win. That is absolutely a win-win. You can help your family members, you can help your co-workers, you can help your church members, you can help your neighbors, you can help people within your community that have been looking for ways to make an extra income and or looking for a way to fix their credit. Especially if you tap into this and you start to promote this correctly on social media and people come to you and be like, I have been trying to fix my credit for so long, and you tap into this, okay, I want to join. There you go, helping somebody, but also making an extra income as well too. So when I say this is definitely a sneak peek inside of it, definitely check the description below if you're watching on YouTube. If you definitely got the freebie off of my store to check out this sneak peek, make sure that you come back to me as well too to get started on fixing your credit. And that's it. That's it. That's all. All right. So I hope you guys have a blessed and awesome day, and I will see you later.